Salom do'stlar. Bugungi hikoyamizda Goofy Baby, ya'ni bolakay Goofy deb nomlanadi. Va tayyor bo'lsanglar boshladik. Demak, one day Mickey, Donald and Goofy went into the clubhouse and saw Professor Von Drake standing there with his brand new invention. Ya'ni bir kuni Mickey, Donald va Goofy o'sha klub uydan chiqib kelishibdi va professor Von Drake'ni u yerda o'sha yangi bir kashfiyoti bilan turganini ko'rishibdi. It is my TikTok time machine, he told them. Ya'ni bu meni o'sha TikTok vaqt mashinam, ya'ni chiqillaydigan vaqt mashinam deb ularga aytibdi. It will take you back to any time in the past. Ya'ni bu sizlarni o'sha o'tmishdagi xohlagan vaqtga olib boradi deb aytibdi. Va that sounded fun to Goofy. Ya'ni bu ovoz Goofyga juda ham yoqib tushdi deyapti. I've always wanted to be a knight in shining armor, he said. Ya'ni u aytibdiki, men har doim o'sha charaqlaydigan sovutlar kiygan askar bo'lishni, ritsar bo'lishni xohlar edim. Goofy climbed into one side of the machine and the professor switched it on. Ya'ni Goofy o'sha mashinani bir tomoniga sakrab chiqibdi va professor uni yoqibdi. A few seconds later, Goofy came out the other side. Ya'ni o'sha bir necha soniyalardan keyin Goofy mashinani boshqa tomoniga kelibdi. But instead of turning into a knight, Goofy was a baby in a nappy. Ya'ni o'sha ritsar bo'lishni o'rniga Goofy deyapti, chaqaloqqa aylanib qolibdi. Taglikka o'ralgan chaqaloqqa aylanib qolgan ekan. Oh boy, muttered the professor. Ya'ni o bolakay deb pichirladi, ming'illadi professor deyapti. This is a bad pickle. He asked Mickey and Donald to babysit Goofy while he fixed the machine. Ya'ni bu juda ham yomon ish bo'ldi deyapti va u Mickey va Donaldga Goofyga g'amxo'rlik qilib turishini so'radi. U o'sha vaqt mashinasini tayyorlayotgan vaqtda. Meanwhile, the curious infant had crawled away. Ya'ni bu paytda esa, ya'ni ma'lum bir vaqtda o'sha chaqaloqcha, ya'ni Goofy emaklab ketibdi uzoqqa. You better hurry, professor, said Mickey, chasing after Goofy baby. Ya'ni siz shoshganingiz yaxshi, professor deb aytibdi Mickey, o'sha Goofyni orqasidan quvib, ya'ni orqasidan chopar ekan deydi-ku. Mickey thought the baby might like to go on a walk. Ya'ni Mickey o'yladiki, o'sha bolakay o'sha yurishni yoqtiradi, like to go on a walk, yurishni yoqtiradi. Va he asked Donald to watch the baby while he got a pushchair from the garage. Ya'ni u Donaldga o'sha bolakayga tomosha qilib tur, ya'ni qarab tur. Ya'ni u o'sha garajdan kolyaskani olib chiqayotgan paytda bolakaydan ko'zingni uzma degan ma'noda aytibdi Donaldga. Donald followed the baby into the arts and crafts area. Ya'ni Donald bolakayga ergashib o'sha san'at va qo'l mehnati zonasiga, ya'ni joyiga, maydoniga kirib boribdi o'sha yergacha. Clarabella cow was there painting a picture. Ya'ni Clarabella ismli sigir, cow deyapti, u yerda rasm chizayotgan ekan. Little Goofy baby crawled right up to her. Ya'ni bolakay Goofy esa, chaqaloq Goofy esa to'g'ridan to'g'ri unga emaklab boribdi. va bu tomonga o'tamiz. Bu tomonga qo'yamiz. How adorable. How adorable. She said. Just then the baby knocked over a stool and sent 3 jars of paint flying. Ya'ni qanday yoqimtoy bolakay deb aytibdi u va undan keyin deyapti bolakay, ya'ni chaqaloqcha o'sha stulni oyog'iga uribdi va 3 ta bonka rangni uchiribdi deyapti, osmonga uchirib yubordi deyapti. Donald caught 2 of them, but a jar of red paint spilled all over him. Ya'ni Donald ikkitasini ushlabdi, ammo o'sha qizil rangli idish, ya'ni konserva idishi uni hamma joyiga sachralib ketibdi. Oh, phew, he said. Suddenly a car popped up from the floor and carried Goofy baby around the walls of the rooms and outside the clubhouse. Ya'ni o'sha to'satdan deyapti, poldan chashkali mashina chiqibdi-da. Goofyni olib devorlar bo'ylab yuribdi va klub hausda uyiga, ya'ni o'sha klub uyni o'sha tashqarisiga chiqibdi deyapti. Then Mickey came back with the pushchair. Ya'ni keyin Mickey o'sha pushchair bolalarni o'zi itarib yuradi-ku, mana shunaqa narsachasi pushchair, o'shanaqasi bilan kelibdi. One look at Donald and he could tell something was wrong. Goofy baby was missing. Ya'ni u bir Donaldga qarab nimadir noto'g'riligini unga aytibdi. Ya'ni Goofy baby, ya'ni chaqaloq Goofy yo'qolgan edi. The friends ran outside and looked up to see the baby pounding on drums in the fanfare. The clubhouse music room. Ya'ni do'stlar tashqariga yugurib chiqishdi va tepaga o'sha Goofy chaqaloqni ko'rish uchun tepaga qarashdi va chaqaloq u yerda barabandan o'sha fanfara kuyini, g'alaba kuyini chalayotgan edi clubhousening musiqa xonasida deyapti. Mickey climbed up a ladder and brought Goofy baby down. He was okay. Ya'ni Mickey o'sha narvonga osilib chiqibdi va Goofyni pastga olib tushibdi. U yaxshi edi deyapti. He was okay. U okay edi. Va Mickey took the baby back to the professor. Ya'ni Mickey chaqaloqni professorga olib bordi, ya'ni qaytarib. Have you fixed the time machine? He asked hopefully. Ya'ni u umid bilan so'radiki, sen mashinani to'g'irladingmi? It's working, shouted the professor. Ya'ni u ishlayapti deb professor baqiribdi. Ya'ni aytibdi ularga. He set Goofy baby in the machine and turned it on. Ya'ni u o'sha chaqaloq Goofyni mashinani ichiga qo'yib, joylashtirib, uni yoqibdi. Gosh, I hope this works, said Mickey. Umid qilamanki bu ishlaydi deb aytibdi Mickey. The machine rattled, hummed and whistled. Ya'ni o'sha mashina taraqlabdi, o'sha pichirlabdi, ving'irlabdi, vibratsiya berib va xushtak chalibdi. Then out came Big Goofy. Va undan keyin katta Goofy chiqib kelibdi, outcome. Super cheers. Judayam bir zo'r bo'ldi, deydi-ku, klass bo'ldi. There was just one itsy bitsy problem. Ya'ni judayam kichkina muammochi bor edi. He was still wearing a nappy. Ya'ni u hali ham taglikda edi deyapti. Do'stlar, o'ylaymanki video foydali bo'ldi va ko'proq video uchun kanalimizga obuna bo'ling va like tugmachasini bosib qo'ying. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.